Hello and welcome to Melissa Maths. So this quiz is about Guy Fawkes Night and there are 20 questions. You've got about 10 seconds to answer, so enjoy. In which year was the Gunpowder Plot? Was it 1505, 1605 or 1705? It was 1605. The Gunpowder Plot was a failed attempt at assassinating which king? Was it King James III, King James II or King James I? It was King James I. How many people were involved in the Gunpowder Plot? Was it 3, 13 or 23? It was 13. How many barrels of gunpowder were used in the failed plot? Was it 6, 36 or 106? It was 36. When were the Houses of Parliament built? Was it around 50 years ago, around 500 years ago, or around 1,000 years ago? It was around 1,000 years ago. How old was Guy Fawkes when he died? Was he 35 years old, 55 years or 75 years old? He was 35 years old. The phrase damp squib originated from squibs, which were explosive devices that became damp and didn't work. So when was that phrase first used in the Morning Post newspaper? Which year was it? Was it 1737, 1837 or 1937? It was 1837. Why do children ask for a penny for the guy? Is it to buy alcohol, for fireworks or for charity? It's to buy fireworks and little treats for themselves. The largest firework display, the countdown to the 2016 New Year's celebrations, was in the Philippines. How many fireworks approximately did it consist of? Was it 80,000, 800,000 or 8,000? It was 800,000. Which Eastender actor played the part of Lord Darnley in the 2004 UK drama Gunpowder, Treason and Plot? Was it Paul Nicholls, Anita Dobson or Steve McFadden? It was Paul Nicholls. In which year was Katy Perry's song Firework released? Was it 2010, 2016 or 2021? It was 2010. At what temperature does the average sparkler burn? Is it 1,000 to 1,500 degrees centigrade? Is it 50 to 100 degrees centigrade? Or is it 3,000 to 3,500 degrees centigrade? It's 1000 to 1500 degrees centigrade. In which century did a Chinese cook accidentally invent fireworks? Was it the 10th century, the 15th century, or the 20th century? It's the 10th century. In which year did John Milton write the traditional Gunpowder Plot poem, Remember, Remember, the 5th of November? Was it 1026, 1326 or 1626? Of course, it was 1626. In 305 AD, where did St. Catherine die? Was it Rome, Egypt, or New York? It was Egypt. Big Ben is the bell of the striking clock found in the Elizabeth Tower at the north end of the Houses of Parliament. But how much does that bell weigh? Is it 1.8 tonnes? Is it 13.7 tonnes? Or is it 57.1 tonnes? It's 13.7 tonnes. In 1486, the first recorded fireworks in England were at the wedding of which king? Was it King Henry VI, King Henry VII, or King Henry VIII? It's King Henry VII. A string of firecrackers lasted how many hours to mark the New Year's Day celebrations in Hong Kong in 1996? Was it 2, 22 or 222? It's 22. What is the name of the cake originating in the north of England in the 18th century that is traditionally eaten on Guy Fawkes Night? Is it Battenberg, Parkin or Eccles? It's Parkin. Guy Fawkes was imprisoned in the Tower of London, but the crown jewels have been kept there since the 14th century. How many objects make up the crown jewels? Is it 22, 72 or 142? It's 142 objects. Thank you so much for watching my quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll be back with you again soon. Bye.